All right, everyone. Today we are in Hoi An, or a little bit outside of Hoi An, correct? And we're with Juan and Michelle. Michelle's my cousin. This is her boyfriend. They visited us. They're joining us for 90 days in Vietnam. And so what are we going to be doing today?
Yes, today we're going on a basket boat tour. So essentially, if you want to pan over to the right over there at the bottom with the guy and the colorful basket. So essentially, we're getting into one of those. Not sure how many are allowed. I believe it's anywhere from 2 to 4 people in the basket boat. So we'll be riding one of those for 45 minutes. And I believe we do a little bit of fishing. I'm not exactly sure. But then we come back and we recount the experience. But it's apparently a really good time. It's one of the main attractions here in Hoi An is to do one of these coconut basket tours. There is a lot of companies that do it. Today we're doing it with Coconut Flowers. Coconut Flowers is a local shop, local business owner. So this is not one of the big shops, a very small business. You're not gonna find it if like you're it's not gonna pop up as one of like the first things on Google. So you have to really look for it. And it's off the beaten path, and it's one from one of the locals. A lot of these big boat tours, they're actually not run by locals, so you're not gonna get that local experience as we're gonna get today.
And here's our small business owner.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Long time no see. Long time no see. Yeah. Only 4 days.
4 days.
Yeah.
Hi.
You
Xin
from
chào.
Vietnamese?
No.
This is my cousin.
Really?
Chào
Yeah.
chị.
Chào chị. Okay.
Chào chị.
Okay. Friend chị đi. The same for you.
Yeah.
Okay, chị.
Yeah.
I'm older. My name He.
He.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
This is my girlfriend, Christina.
Christina. Oh, okay. You from? Where you from?
California.
Ah.
From California.
Yeah.
The same Vietnam.
Yeah. No, really? No.
Filipino. Yes. But Philippines is Asian country, the same Vietnam. Yes.
Yeah.
Can you speak Vietnamese?
Dong.
Đòn. Đòn
Kong.
là money.
Kong.
Oh no, Kong.
Kong.
Không. No, không. You say đòn. I think là đòn là thao đòn in the Vietnam in the morning. Okay.
Cool. And so you met you were just walking, and
Yes.
she pulled you in,
Yes.
and you're saying all these big corporations are taking all the business, and us tourists need to come here and support you, the smaller businesses, because you're more local.
Yeah.
Keep the money in the economy, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, that'd be great. And so what are your prices here?
Right here.
Price. Cost.
The right in the
The tour.
the tour là only 150 for two.
150,000 dong for 2 people.
They would do 2,000 for one person.
2,000 for 1 person over there? Wow.
Yeah. The everyday for me là 100 one person. Là 2 person là one bowl.
Two
Total là
person.
200. But my friend very kind thì discount only 150 là discount only 50,000 đồng for 2 person. Là very cheap, only local people discount for you. Big company not discount, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. So we just got to get off the main road a little bit, get away from those big companies, and you could save 90% on your boat tour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Very cool.
Are you ready?
Yes.
We are ready.
You pay
You're
now
ready.
or pay later?
You can pay now.
Yeah, let's pay now. So
later.
yeah, let's pay now. Yeah, yeah.
Similar.
Yeah.
You go to about the 5 p.m. the bad time. But sometimes the 5 p.m. you go to the boat have a sunset very beautiful.
I know.
Yes.
5 p.m. sunset.
better,
Very
better.
beautiful. Awesome. Cool.
5 p.m. sunset.
Yes, 5
much is
p.m. here là have a sunset.
Very good.
Nhìn.
Here we go.
Nam,
Coconut flower.
Nhìn. 5,000. Nam is 5.
Where's the address?
Năm là 5. Zero là 50.000.
Nhìn.
Okay, so this is the
Internet shop
address.
in here and the hotline. Yes.
Hamlet, Camden
He.
Village.
Be
They
careful.
got coconut flowers, basketball cooking class, so they have a cooking class as well. Make sure to ask for heat.
I think the woman
And
on
should
the
be more than
world,
happy to help you
on the
out.
world very nice flower. I need coconut
This is
flower.
their phone number at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Call them.
For the
Just-
connect, I need to leave this here.
Okay, I think for you.
All right.
In the morning, a lot of people to booking for me.
Yes. That's nice. They booking.
In the morning, you contact for me, and then allow the people contact in the WhatsApp.
That's what we do.
Yes.
Your number there, it works on what on WhatsApp?
WhatsApp. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
If we want to do a cooking class, what time would that be?
At the time, the same on the bowl, 8 a.m. and finish 6 p.m. every day.
8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
For cooking class though. Cooking lunch and bowl 1 hour and 30 minutes. You put and eat.
Well, okay,
Look at
so
the doggy.
it's just an added time, an hour and a half.
But anywhere from 8 a.m. to
Oh,
8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
That's a dog nap.
My sister remember for you. You can eat and yeah.
Here we are.
Hello, one by one. Slowly. Wow. Wow. Oh, very good.
Left, right.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello. Bye.
Hi.
There's like a raven there.
That's cool.
Oh, it's like a party in there. Are we gonna get spin like that?
What? There's a ton of people in these things.
Yeah. So beautiful. Party out here.
Mas
Oh no, thank you. How was it, babe?
I do not recommend. Alright, my review, don't do that unless you want to get really dizzy. I was dizzy. If you don't hang on for your life, you're gonna fall out. I don't know if he's going faster than everyone else because we're a bunch of guys, but yeah. My God, I got super dizzy. The other thing they don't tell you is they're gonna charge you after. But that one was, I think we paid 100,000 dong per person on that one. It's about $4 a person, give or take. What? No, they just charged us. Yeah, so they don't tell you they're charging you until after you're in the boat, which is whatever, it's $4. It's an experience. But look at this view. It is a party out here. With all that loud music, with like 100 other boats, and we're just chilling here off the beaten path. So go support your local vendors and get some savings while doing so.
What happened?
This is where they fish.
Thank you. Bye bye.
What are they fishing?
I have no idea. Everyone, so that was a boat ride. It's pretty good. Definitely worth the money. I don't think I'd pay 2 million for it, but 200K for 2 people is perfect. Here's the address once again, or it's called Coconut Flowers, and this is the address, and this is the phone number. You could get them on WhatsApp. They also do cooking classes. But yeah, it's they're at like 10% of the price compared to all the big corporations out there. So yeah, it's good to support your local basket boat tour.